bHaptics, we manufacture the haptic suit, something that lets you feel everything in VR and gaming. I just want to feel other gamers' vibe in the Saudi Arabia.
I didn't knew about the size of Leap. It's huge. It's amazing. And the booth that are here, the people and companies that are exposing, it's amazing. We start to make hologram projectors, so we are aiming now for real estate business and events like this. It's like we are materializing the metaverse.
Leap is a wonderful event. I came here for the first time with our company Fisher.ai, and I did not expect such a huge crowd. We've got investors, we've got clients, we've got different networking opportunities over here, and mashallah, it's a really huge event.
This is my first conference, and I was totally amazed by seeing so many people, so many professional people with very different backgrounds. If not for the booth, I would be probably already listening to some of the panels. I'm really looking forward to coming back next year.
Shukran, Leap.
Shukran Leap.
Shukran Leap.
Shukran Leap.